Hi, welcome to Case Club. Today, we'll be reviewing our heavy-duty MP5 waterproof case. It's designed to hold your MP5 semi-auto pistol, magazines, and has extra accessory slots. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam, and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Start with this main plug. The area is immediately ready to fit your MP5K rifle and can be quickly and easily modified to fit a wide variety of original or clones of the rifles you see on your screen. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensure all of your gear fits regardless of accessories. For example, to fit optics, a rail extension, a barrel extension, a foregrip, or stock extension, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. If you do not have a specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear if not in use. On the left side in the base is a pistol cutout, which is immediately ready to fit a compact pistol, but will accommodate a semi-auto pistol up to 8 5/8 inches in length. To accommodate a full-size pistol, you'll need to connect the perforations here and remove them. For pistols with underbarrel attachments, connect the perforations in these areas. 2 pistol magazines can be stored in the cutout here. 4 10-round rifle mags can be stored here, and 6 30-round mags can be stored here. 2 accessory pockets are located here near the front of the case. We've also included a waterproof accessory box for small accessories. Moving on to moisture control, we've included a reusable hydro-absorbent silica gel canister to help prevent rust. The importance of our specially designed moisture remover cannot be understated, and we encourage you to watch our silica gel video to learn more.
Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid, and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam.
And the foam in the lid is a combination of polyethylene foam and a much softer polyurethane convoluted foam. Around the perimeter of the lid, there's a gasket seal that makes the case 100% waterproof. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback. There are 4 padlockable points, 2 of which are metal reinforced. A manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude. In the back, there are 4 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, all of which are one-way and cannot be tapped out, as well as feet so the case can stand upright on its own. Exterior case ribs to help deflect impact. 3 handles that fold down to stay out of the way when not in use, as well as wheels with stainless steel ball bearings for easy transport. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.